Okay, but it's how do you address the issue? And the other part that I tell people often is focus on what is the legal issue. Contends no torturous conduct could have occurred because no duty had been placed on him. They're going to break that down in this case as well. Forget the other part about him not being in the state. But what this case is going to do is show people, is give you all at least hopefully a underlying understanding. Until you have an obligation, you don't have an obligation. When we get in there, a lot of times we talk about everything except what was my obligation to, what rights would you have as you were there? Because if you're a father, depending on what state you're in, like in Florida, mothers and fathers have equal access to the child. Did you raise any of these issues? Was it a purely an administrative issue? Or like my cases were judicial. That's why the procedural aspect of it matters. If your case is administrative, did the administrative process that your state used violate a well-established protection? If so, how do you go about reversing that issue? It's the questions that we ask that are directly related to the order, ORDER. What does your order say? How did they get the order? Was
You
it
know,
by
it's
default?